is this real life? Like, I come home from my mom being in surgery, and this is literally like up to the door. And let's look out here. All this. And then, oh, look. There's my car buried in the snow. Buried. Yeah. Not just slightly buried, but buried. Look at this driveway. Like, if anybody doesn't know, but my driveway is a lot shallower than that. And there's actually a ditch over there. Like, let me get this angle with you. How high this is in my driveway. How am I supposed to get my car out of here and go back to Kansas City? Anybody have any idea? Because, by the way, the battery in my car has died. Let's get you some angle on that, too. Oh, look at my Mustang over there. Hi, look how high it is. Yeah, lovely. I am not happy right now. How am I supposed to get back to Kansas City and go to work?